Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on key fob. This key from a Toyota Hiace. So although this will work on almost any Toyota car key fob. So when you see around the key, you will see a little groove on the top of the key here. So what you need to do is take a screwdriver and you can separate this key like this and keep them away, and then you need to take this part away. This is where the battery located, so you will need to remove this black cover using a little screwdriver. Okay, this is where the battery located. So it is CR2016 3-volt battery. You can remove this using again a small screwdriver. So here it is, the old battery, and I got a new battery here, so I'm going to replace it. Like this, then close the cover. It's done. So it's real simple now. Hopefully it will work. It has to be work, so it's a new battery. Thank you for watching. See you on next video.